Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making some jollof rice and chicken. I decided to boil/steam my meat to speed up the cooking time and to add the flavor to the chicken a little bit quicker instead of letting it marinate. So I blended up some peppers and onions and bell peppers, and I made a lot of the sauce, well, quote unquote sauce, because I'll need some of it for the stew. And after I blended everything up, I added the mixture to the chicken and added my seasoning, which was salt, all-purpose seasoning, chicken bouillon, and rosemary. After that, I stirred everything and started boiling the meat. After boiling, I went ahead to fry, and before frying, I decided to add some fresh onions to the oil to give the oil some flavor before adding the chicken. And then I went ahead to add my chicken and let it fry. And after frying, you should be left with like golden brown chicken that looks good. It's kind of crispy on the outside, but not too dry. Now let's continue with the stew. First, you need to heat up some oil in your pan, or not a pan, please don't use a pan, in your pot. And you then add some onions in there, let them fry for a little bit, then add some tomato paste. And please let your tomato paste cook through, because you definitely don't want raw tomato paste taste in your food. So once that's cooked through, oh my god, I'm so sorry. But once that's cooked through, you can add your crushed tomato and then add your blended mixture, well, the one that we did in the beginning. And after you've added everything to your pot, you can let it cook until it's the tomatoes cook through. And for those of you that don't have experience like making this kind of stews, one advice that I can give you is to cook it until the oil comes up. So you should kind of remember how much oil you put in your pot in the beginning, and that amount should be what is on top of the sauce or your stew. So yeah. that you will not have to wash your rice. You can, you just wash your rice. So after you've washed it, you then add it to your stew. Mix everything up. And one thing that I forgot to mention is that you should keep the stock from the meat, from what you boiled or steamed before. You should have some stock left over. Like, your pot should be dried when you finish steaming your meat. So once you've done that, you can use that stock and keep adding to the rice. So anytime you notice it getting dry, you can add some of the stock. That will help you flavor your rice, as well as keep everything moist, so that it can cook through and doesn't get dry. So you can cover up with some aluminum foil, or use like a baking sheet. Now, is it baking sheet? The paper that you put on your baking sheet. I don't remember what. It's a baking sheet, guys. I don't remember, but yeah, I think y'all know what I mean. But yeah, you just put that on top, and you put your lid on top, and you just let it go until your rice is done, basically. And now you can go ahead and serve. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. I really appreciate, and see you in the next one.